In this video, I will show you how to improve font quality and make text easier to read in Windows. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and leave a like under this video. If letters look blurry, unclear, or simply uncomfortable to read, this built-in Windows feature can often improve how text appears on your screen. First, open the Windows search bar and type "Adjust Clear Type Text." Open the result that appears. When the window opens, make sure the Clear Type option is enabled. As soon as you turn it on, you may already notice a difference in how text is displayed. After that, click Next to start the Clear Type tuning wizard. Windows will show you several different text samples and ask you to choose the version that looks best to your eyes. There are no right or wrong answers here. Simply select the text that appears the sharpest, clearest, and easiest for you to read. Continue through all of the steps in the wizard and keep choosing the samples that look best on your monitor. Once you finish the process, Windows will save your preferences automatically. The result is usually sharper text, improved readability, and a more comfortable experience when browsing websites, reading documents, or working on your computer for long periods of time. If you recently changed monitors, adjusted your resolution, or feel that text does not look as good as it should, this is one of the easiest settings worth trying. Thanks for watching. I would be very happy if you would become one of the subscribers of this channel. Check out the suggested videos and also leave a like under this video. See you soon.